What would happen if you disappeared for the next 6 months? No unnecessary texting, no chasing attention, no explaining yourself, no posting your entire life online. Just pure focus, silence, discipline, and self-improvement. Most people are so addicted to distraction that they never give themselves enough time to truly change. Every day they waste energy on social media, useless conversations, toxic people, and constant validation. Then they wonder why their life never improves, why they still feel weak, lost, ignored, and stuck in the same place year after year. But imagine this instead: while everyone else is busy seeking attention, you disappear. You stop announcing your goals. You stop trying to impress people. You cut off distractions and start rebuilding yourself in silence. Day by day, you become stronger mentally, physically, emotionally, financially, and the scary part, most people won't even realize how powerful you've become until it's too late. Because silence has power, discipline has power, isolation has power when used correctly, and the people who transform the most are usually the ones nobody hears from for a while. In this video, you'll learn why disappearing for 6 months can completely change your life, your mindset, your confidence, and the way people see you. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why staying visible all the time is keeping you weak. So watch this carefully until the end, because one decision, one period of focused isolation can create a version of you that people won't even recognize anymore. And if you're serious about becoming stronger than the person you are today, hit like, subscribe, and let's begin. The first thing that happens when you disappear is this: you finally hear your own mind again. Most people are constantly surrounded by noise. Notifications, opinions, messages, trends, endless scrolling. There's always something pulling their attention away from themselves. And after a while, they become so distracted by the outside world that they completely lose connection with who they really are. That's why silence feels uncomfortable for so many people. The moment they're alone with their thoughts, they instantly reach for their phone, social media, music, or conversation, because deep down, they're afraid of facing themselves. But when you disappear for a while, when you step away from constant noise, you begin noticing things you couldn't see before. You realize how much energy you've been wasting. You realize which people drain you. You realize how much of your life has been controlled by distractions instead of purpose. And this awareness changes everything, because before transformation happens externally, it happens internally first. You begin thinking more clearly. Your emotions calm down. Your focus sharpens. You stop reacting to every little thing. And for the first time in a long time, your mind starts working for you instead of against you. If this is hitting you, like this video and subscribe, because this is where real change begins. Now the second thing that happens when you disappear is this: you stop seeking validation. And this alone can completely transform your confidence. Most people are addicted to being seen. They constantly check who viewed their story, who liked their post, who texted them back, who noticed them. Their confidence depends on attention from other people, and without realizing it, they become emotionally controlled by external validation. That's dangerous, because if your self-worth depends on how much attention you receive, you'll spend your entire life performing for people instead of building yourself. But when you disappear, something powerful happens. At first, it feels strange. You feel invisible. You wonder if people notice your absence. You feel the urge to come back online, to seek attention again, to remind people you exist. But if you resist that urge and stay focused on yourself, your mindset slowly changes. You stop needing constant validation. You stop caring so much about being noticed. And instead of building an image for other people, you start building a life for yourself. That's real confidence. Because real confidence is not posting motivational quotes while your life stays the same. Real confidence is working silently while nobody claps for you. Real confidence is improving even when nobody sees it yet. And this mindset gives you power most people never develop. If you're still watching, like this video and subscribe, because this lesson alone can separate you from the majority. The third thing that happens when you disappear is this: you finally gain control over your energy. Most people don't realize how much energy they lose every single day. Toxic conversations, drama, arguments, overthinking, trying to impress people, chasing relationships that go nowhere. All of these things slowly drain your mental strength. And when your energy is constantly scattered, Your progress becomes slow. You feel tired all the time, but not because you're working hard, because your attention is divided in too many directions. But when you disappear, you remove those distractions. Suddenly, all the energy you used to waste becomes available again. And now you can finally invest it into yourself. You start going to the gym consistently. You start reading more. You start learning valuable skills. You sleep better. You think more clearly. You become emotionally calmer. And over time, you begin building momentum. That's the secret most people never experience. Real transformation doesn't happen in chaos. It happens in focused isolation. It happens when you stop giving your energy to everyone else and finally start investing it into your own growth. And after enough time passes, people start noticing something different about you. Your mindset changes. Your presence changes. Your confidence changes. Not because you were trying to impress them, but because you finally stopped wasting yourself. Now here's where the real transformation begins. When you disappear, you stop living reactively and start living intentionally. Most people wake up every day reacting to notifications, reacting to opinions, reacting to emotions, reacting to whatever happens around them. Their entire life is controlled by external distractions, and because of that, they never build real discipline. But when you step away from all the noise, you finally create space to build structure in your life. You wake up with purpose. You start controlling your habits instead of your habits controlling you. You become more disciplined with your time, your body, your thoughts, and your emotions. And discipline changes everything. Because motivation is temporary. Everyone feels motivated for a few days. But discipline is what creates transformation. Discipline is what keeps you improving even when you don't feel like it. This is why disappearing for a while is so powerful. It removes the constant stimulation that keeps your mind weak and distracted. And once your mind becomes quieter, your focus becomes stronger. You stop wasting hours scrolling. You stop needing attention every second. You stop comparing your life to everyone else online. And suddenly, you have time again. Real time. Time to build yourself. Most people never realize how much potential they actually have because they never spend enough uninterrupted time working on themselves. They quit too early. They get distracted too easily. They keep restarting their progress because they never stay focused long enough to change. But the people who disappear and stay consistent, those are the people who come back unrecognizable. If this is hitting you, like this video and subscribe, because this mindset can completely change your future. Now let's talk about something deeper. When you disappear, you also discover who truly values you. Because when you stop always being available, something interesting happens. Some people stop reaching out completely. Some people only notice your absence when they no longer have access to your energy. And that realization can be painful, but it's also powerful, because it shows you who was genuinely connected to you, and who was only connected to your availability. A lot of people keep unhealthy relationships alive simply because they fear being alone. They keep giving time, attention, and emotional energy to people who don't truly respect them. But when you step away for a while, the truth becomes clear. And clarity is one of the greatest gifts isolation can give you. You begin seeing people differently. You notice who supports your growth, and who distracts you from it. You notice who only contacts you when they need something. You notice who disappears the moment you stop chasing them. And once you see these patterns clearly, your standards change. You stop begging for connection. You stop forcing relationships. You stop trying to keep everyone in your life. Because now you understand something important. Protecting your peace is more valuable than keeping fake connections alive. And this mindset creates emotional freedom. For the first time, you stop feeling desperate for attention, validation, or approval. You become comfortable focusing on yourself, comfortable being alone, comfortable building your life quietly without needing constant recognition from other people. And that level of independence is rare. Because most people can't sit alone with themselves for very long. They constantly need distractions to escape their own thoughts. But when you learn to use solitude correctly, it becomes one of the most powerful tools for growth. That's why so many successful, disciplined, and mentally strong people go through periods of isolation, not because they hate people, but because they understand that sometimes you need distance from the world to reconnect with yourself. Now here's the part most people don't understand. When you disappear and truly focus on yourself, people start reacting differently to you. Not immediately. In fact, at first, most people won't care. The world keeps moving, social media keeps moving, conversations continue without you. And honestly, that realization can hurt your ego in the beginning, but that's exactly why this process is powerful. Because it forces you to stop building your life around attention. It forces you to stop depending on recognition to feel valuable. And once you break that addiction, your mindset becomes much stronger. Then slowly, something changes. You become calmer, more disciplined, more focused, more emotionally controlled. And people feel that difference. Your energy changes because you're no longer desperate for validation. You no longer feel the need to prove yourself to everyone. You stop over-explaining. You stop chasing. You stop trying to impress people who were never building you anyway. And ironically, that's when people start noticing you more. Because there's something powerful about a person who quietly disappears, improves themselves, and returns stronger without needing attention from the world. It creates mystery, respect, presence. People start wondering, what changed about you? Why you seem calmer? Why you seem more confident? Why you no longer react the same way? But the truth is simple. You finally spent time building yourself instead of performing for everyone else. If this is making sense, like this video and subscribe, because this lesson can completely shift your mindset. Now understand this clearly. Disappearing is not about running away from life. It's not about hiding forever or cutting off everyone you know. That's not strength. Real strength is stepping away long enough to rebuild yourself properly. It's choosing discipline over distraction, growth over attention, purpose over approval. And during that process, you begin developing something most people never achieve: self-respect. Because every day you keep promises to yourself, your confidence grows. Every workout you complete builds discipline. Every distraction you resist builds mental strength. Every quiet hour spent improving yourself builds character. And character is what truly changes your life. Not motivation, not aesthetics, not pretending online. Real character. That's why the people who truly transform are usually silent while it's happening. They don't announce every step. They don't need applause for every small improvement. They stay focused while everyone else stays distracted. And after enough time passes, the results speak for themselves. Your body changes. Your habits change. Your mindset changes. Your standards change. Your entire presence changes. And suddenly, the same people who ignored you before start noticing you differently. But by then, something else has changed too. You no longer need their validation. That's the real transformation. Not becoming obsessed with proving people wrong, but becoming so focused on your own growth that other people's opinions lose control over your mind. And maybe that's the biggest reason disappearing changes your life, because somewhere in the silence, you finally meet the version of yourself you were supposed to become. Not the version shaped by other people's opinions. Not the version addicted to attention and validation. Not the version constantly distracted, emotionally exhausted, and trying to keep everyone happy. The real version, the disciplined version, the focused version, the calm and powerful version that was buried underneath all the noise. Because when you remove distractions, excuses become visible. When you remove constant entertainment, you finally see what's been holding you back. And for most people, it's not lack of potential. It's lack of focus. They never stay consistent long enough. They never spend enough time alone building themselves. They keep restarting because they're addicted to comfort and distraction. But the moment you disappear and fully commit to yourself, everything changes. You stop needing motivation every day because discipline takes over. You stop chasing temporary pleasure because your goals become more important. You stop caring so much about what people think because your future matters more than their opinions. And over time, this creates a completely different kind of confidence. Not loud confidence, not fake social media confidence, real confidence. The kind that comes from knowing you've suffered quietly, stayed disciplined, and kept improving while nobody was watching. That type of confidence can't be faked. And people feel it the moment you walk into a room. Your presence becomes calmer, your mind becomes sharper, your emotions become more controlled. Your standards become higher, because now you understand your value. And the best part is, you no longer feel desperate to prove it to anyone. That's true power. So if your life feels stuck right now, maybe you don't need more attention. Maybe you don't need more people around you. Maybe you don't need more motivation videos, or more validation from the internet. Maybe what you actually need is distance, silence, focus, Discipline. Maybe you need time alone to rebuild yourself without distractions constantly pulling you backwards. Because 6 months of focused isolation can accomplish what years of distraction never will. It can rebuild your body, rebuild your mindset, rebuild your confidence, rebuild your future. And one day, people will look at you and wonder how you changed so much. But you'll know the truth. You changed because you stopped giving your energy to the world and finally started investing it into yourself. If this video spoke to you, don't ignore that feeling. Most people know exactly what's destroying their life: distractions, weak habits, constant validation, but they never change because they're too comfortable staying the same. Don't let that be you. Disappear for a while. Go silent. Focus on yourself. Build your body, your mindset, your discipline, and your future in private. And when you come back stronger than anyone expected. If you're serious about transforming your life, hit like right now, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because this channel is for people who are ready to level up mentally, emotionally, and physically. And I want you to do one thing before you leave. Go to the comments and type, "See you in 6 months." Make that your promise to yourself starting today. And share this video with someone who needs to stop chasing attention and start building themselves. Now watch the next video on your screen, because your transformation starts the moment you stop wasting your potential.